Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to pop on and talk to you a little bit about something I've been learning in my master's program recently. And it's something that I always felt super awkward doing and never really understood why. People would always talk about, that it's good to know how to do this, but I just never really saw why until this most recent teacher has really broken it down for us. And that is paraphrasing. And to me, paraphrasing I felt was so stagnant and just kind of like, oh, so what you're telling me is, and it's almost like condescending in a way. But one of my most recent classes, we've been talking about paraphrasing. And before even talking about how to do it, and that might be a totally separate video, is talking about why we should do it. So often, as teachers, as parents, as, companions, siblings, anything like that, our brains are constantly on the go. And we never really, when we're having those conversations, I often find we never really just stop and actually listen to what somebody is saying. We constantly are responding or interrupting, even if it's not in a disrespectful way. So paraphrasing is important because it includes that you are attending fully into the conversation. You are listening with the intention of understanding, not responding. And that was something that was huge for me. And if you even like practice it at home with a spouse or a sibling or anything like that, a parent, and you let them talk for a good minute to two straight, it's very challenging to not kind of jump in and interject and give your opinion. And the idea is to listen with the intent of understanding and to capture the entire essence of their message. What are they really trying to say and convey to you? And then you can reflect on the essence in your voice or tone with gestures, things like that. But again, you're still not really reciprocating while they're talking. Going into paraphrasing definitely would be a separate video, but making the paraphrasing kind of shorter than the original statement, reiterating a little bit without making it too weird and stagnant. And then oftentimes when you finish up a paraphrase, you end up asking another question to keep that conversation going. So one thing that I really took out of the overall idea of principles of paraphrasing was that you are listening with the intention of understanding, not responding. And that was huge for me. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that's just a little bit something fun. Maybe you can try at home with, like I said, a student or a child or a parent or a spouse, someone like that. Try it. It's a lot harder than you think it is. Love to hear your feedback. Bye, guys.